My name is Ling Tran, and I'm a Director of Product and Engineering at LivePerson. LivePerson is a conversational AI platform. The challenge that we face is pretty much like the brands come with a lot of different external systems that they're working with, and the amount of custom integration that we have to deliver, it's just outstanding. Like there are so many of them, and it just the cost to implement it, the time to deliver, and especially the overhead of how to maintain it over time, right? You know, people leave organization, they carry those knowledge with you. And all of these custom integration, if people have done in this space before, they know how painful it is to just kind of like maintain it over time, especially with not the people that was building that before, right? So a lot of those was a big problem. A lot of different type of integration requests that we could not fulfill. But Workato is basically our strategy to leveraging the thousands pre-built connector that Workato have with the top application. And more than that, Workato come with the API platform, which basically turning any of the workflow or recipe is what Workato call it into a callable recipe. Or basically, it is a REST API that you can call from anywhere. And lastly, basically the connected SDK that Workato actually provided help us to basically help our brands, because if there's not a connector that Workato provide, we can actually quickly create a custom connector for it. We see a lot of business impact in terms of the number of customers actually activated the integration or create and trying out the integration, right? So before it's mainly just a one-to-one kind of like growth, right? Like you have a brand and then they get onboarded. And now with the embedded Workato platform, we basically brand can auto discover and activate the Workato and basically start building out their integration workflow without having to wait for LivePerson. So basically, the adoption actually increased and is actually have the organic adoption. And then we also see a lot of time saved, right? At the minimum, we see 50% time saved. Basically from start to launch, it's so much a game changer for a lot of different brands. And we see also the uptick in number of use cases that we can support. Because we don't have customer brands don't have to wait for us to go and basically help them in specific. They can explore a lot of these. So it unlocks a lot more use cases for the brands.